Imagine stepping into your living room and feeling instantly transported to a lush oasis, right within the cozy confines of your home. Indoor gardening, the art of nurturing plants in your living space, is not only a delightful hobby but a transformative element for your home environment. Welcome to Indoor Gardening 101, where today we will explore the essentials to transform your living room into a thriving green sanctuary. Let's begin by understanding the magic that plants bring indoors. Beyond aesthetics, they enhance your living space by improving air quality and creating a calming atmosphere. The key to a successful indoor garden lies in choosing the right plants. Consider varieties that thrive in low to medium light conditions, such as pothos, snake plants, and peace lilies. These resilient beauties require minimal maintenance, making them perfect companions for busy lifestyles. Once you've selected your plants, the next step is to decide on placement. Optimal positioning is crucial for plant health and home design. Aim to create layers by combining tall plants like fiddle leaf figs in the corners with cascading ivy or philodendrons on shelves. This not only maximizes space but also adds depth and texture to your room. Water and light are the lifeblood of any indoor garden. Be mindful not to overwater, as indoor plants generally need less hydration than their outdoor counterparts. Ensure that your plants have access to natural light by placing them near windows. For rooms lacking sunlight, consider adding grow lights to mimic the sun's nourishing rays. Finally, remember that gardening is both a science and an art. Experiment with different arrangements and plant species to discover what resonates with your personal style and enhances your living room's charm. As you nurture your indoor oasis, it'll become an ever-evolving masterpiece. In conclusion, transforming your living room into a lush oasis through indoor gardening enriches not just your home, but your daily life. With thoughtful plant selection, strategic placement, and attentive care, your living space will flourish into a haven of tranquility and natural beauty. Start your indoor gardening journey today and watch as your home blossoms into a vibrant retreat.